Welcome, today I am with Jabra Elite 85H and I will show you how you can perform hard reset of this device. So you have to grab your headset and you have to focus on the right headphone. We have to click this multifunction button and also volume up button for like 5 seconds until this indicator right here blinks few times and then change to the purple. So let's try to make it right now. This button and the volume up. These two buttons right now. Take a look on the indicator. Right now we can release both buttons. And take a look. Right now we are not connected anymore. So we can pair the Jabra for another time. So yeah, that's how you can perform the hard reset of the Jabra Elite 85H. One more time, you have to click and hold these two buttons together for 5 seconds until this indicator right here changes to the purple, and you will also get the voice notification that the hard reset is on the way. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.